while strolling through a lovely garden. As day was drawing to a close, my eyes beheld a tragic story. I saw a teardrop on the road. It should have been a tear of gladness, but deep inside the sorrow shows a trusting heart had just been broken. I saw a teardrop on the road, a sobbing tear that follows parting, holds all the pain that sorrow knows. A false goodbye, a life is shattered. There lies the story on the road. The tear will dry, the rose will wither. When spring and winter comes and goes, I loved, I lost, my story ended with just a teardrop on